Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the display. As you can see, on the third position we've got the status bar option, so let's tap on it, and at the very bottom of the list we've got the battery percentage, which is right now turned off, and you can see it because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. If you'd like to change it, just tap on the switcher here to turn on the feature, and as you can see, next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. If you'd like to turn it off and leave only the battery icon, just tap on the switcher to turn it off, but let me turn it on because it's quite useful. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.